Unprovoked attack almost 18 months ago left Kanea Hicks with injuries so serious doctors stopped giving her drugs to fight infection.
However, with the support of her whānau and Te Arawa kapa haka groups, this feisty trainee teacher is fighting her way back from a senseless act of violence. Reporter Yvonne Tahana has this story.
Some parties really only get going when a favourite turns up.
All you women here, beautiful. And all you men, ugly. Oh, ugly.
This was Te Marae Orehu's ball last weekend. They'd miss Kanea Hicks and they let her know it. Two years ago, she was on the national stage with them.
Kei te nui te aroha ki taku ta mahine, ko tā mai tēnei pō, kei te paitonu, kei te ora haere, kei te mahu haere ona ringa, kei te ahua kōpā tonu. Engari a tōna wā pēr ko te tūmanako ka ora katoa te tinana.
Young, surrounded by a loving whānau, she had the world at her feet. She had everything to smile about.
So there's the hole, see that? Just bolting it on. Nice. It's a beautiful fit.
But a few short weeks ago, a dentist was working hard to give her back that grin.
Wow, you are looking so good.
It's so important aesthetically. By looking at me, my family are now able to see me in a new light, not as a girl that was from the hospital, but a girl that is ready to take on life.
Hey, Kanea.
She remembers meeting Dr. Ross Pello for the first time.
Today is we're just putting these in.
Right. He said, "Hello, beautiful. What happened to you?" And I just cracked a big smiling smile, and I said, someone got really drunk on alcohol and was angry at life and put me in hospital because of it.
July last year, Kanea's mum got a call to head straight for Middlemore Hospital. Nurses tried to prepare her for what she'd see.
When I first saw my girl, I just had such evil, ugly thoughts about the person who did that to her, but I had to push that aside because I tried to pray for my girl, but you can't pray and have karakia if your heart feels ugly.
We can't identify the Samoan teenager who did this for legal reasons, but Kanea got in the way of an attack on a whānau member after a party at a neighbouring property got out of hand. She was knocked out with a baseball bat and while lying prone was hit again.
You're just holding it and then the pressure is through this part.
In a coma for a month, there were early wins like when the ventilator was taken out of Kanea's mouth in the first week.
We were karakiing as they pulled it out, and then when they pulled it out, then Kanea just carried on breathing. So we're just really, really elated and happy.
During that time, her mum had to fight for active medical treatment because doctors believed too much brain tissue had died for Kanea to survive.
When that doctor said that if she gets another infection, that they wouldn't treat her again, wouldn't keep up active treatment.
There was a point where Nera wondered whether tangi preparations were needed.
Come on, Mama.
I've been really good because I've gotten quite strong now.
Awesome. My family had believed the doctors and let me go, I would be 6 feet under.
But it was the pain of those teeth that brought her around.
When I first woke up from my coma, I wasn't consciously aware of my surroundings at all. I remember when I did wake up, I had my father come to me and say, "Hello, my darling," and I cracked a big beaming smile for him. You're just telling me what's up.
After 4 months in 2 facilities, Kanea came home, blind. She hopes in time her brain will heal enough for her sight to return.
The brain has been affected that controls the pathways to my vision. So mines are very fine. They're good. It's just the brain and the pathways making its way back so I can see again. Everything else is good. My mobility, that'll take 2 years minimum to get back to as close as possible to good and ready. It's going good though. It hurts with my arms. They're the most troublesome to take a long time to come to the table.
Cafeteria.
Love you, baby.
Netta's just happy her girl's on the mend.
Yeah. At the end of the day, I just thank God that my baby's back here. And that's what I have to be happy about.
The whānau believe attitude helped bring Kanea through, and they were humbled by the love shown through fundraising efforts. It was the memory of a Samoan grandfather, Frank Hicks, that motivated Kanea to meet with her attacker for a forgiveness ceremony. Forgiveness is something she's worked at.
You look funny walking back.
In terms of my emotions, my wairua, all over the place. All over the place. Wasn't doing anyone good, not myself any good. So I realized that bringing all the help of everyone, support and love and care, does making me better, does making my progress better. And so I just thought to, embark on that journey.
Focusing on the future is important to her.
I must say, that's the ultimate goal of mine, is to get up and perform.
But her experience has made her want to work with vulnerable youth.
Their brother just had the best, forget about life and just get on it. And with that choice, they put innocent people in hospital, innocent families at grief, and put their own family at grief. Can you make me look beautiful for my upcoming Marae ball, please?
Yeah, sure.
But life also has to be about fun. She's only 28 and there's a life to be lived.
So have you ever think about getting married?
Yeah, I'd love to get married. How about you?
Yeah, I don't mind. Maybe just dark and the brown.
Cool. You're the artist. The bummer being in the chair, I just want to dance all night. But hey, that's all right with me. No words could describe it. I felt overwhelmed, over happy, just love.
All those that love Kanea hope her life's a good one from here on in.